How to permanently delete Snapchat messages from both sides? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to permanently delete Snapchat messages from both sides. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Log in to your account. Now go to chat screen at bottom left corner of the screen. Open the conversation you want to delete messages from. Now press and hold the message you sent. Tap delete from the options. You have to note the other person will receive a notification that you deleted a message. To prevent any trace, you have to block the user temporarily. So you have to come back and you can simply open the chat again and go to the profile. Now select the three dots at top right corner and tap manage friendship. Now tap on block and tap block again. Now go to your profile at top left corner of the screen and the gear icon at top right to access settings. Scroll down to the bottom and tap blocked users. Now tap on the cross mark at top right of the username and tap yes button. And now after unblocking the user, your Snapchat messages will be permanently deleted from both sides. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.